Hello guys, so this is the continuation of our previous session. So we are discussing KPGCET 2019 question paper. So up to 45 they will be the common questions for all the circuit branches, that is E and telecommunication, electronics and electrical engineering, then instrumentation and technology engineering, then biomedical engineering. So in my previous videos I have discussed for other branches, that is ITC, then E and TC, and other biomedical. So this is the last session, so where we will be discussing instrumentation technology. So if you are an instrumentation student, then you need to watch this video. Otherwise, if you are not, then you can check the playlist I have uploaded for other branches too. So up to 45 questions there will be common for all the branches. So from we will be starting from 46 and we'll be going up to 75 there. So there will be total 1 to 75 questions. So 1 to 45 are the common for all the branches, that is circuit branches we are discussing. From 46 to 75 they will be branch wise, that is B. So if you are IT student, then you need to discuss only about these, you need to answer only about this. So a single question paper consists of all the questions, but you need to choose depending on your branch or mother branch. Okay, so it consists of two sections as well. So first section consists of 20 questions, each one carries 1 mark, so it will be of total 20 marks here. Then second part consists of 2 mark questions of 10, it will be equal to 20 marks again. Okay, so the first question is, that is 46. The device processing the highest photosensitivity is photoconductive cell, photovoltaic cell, photodiode, photo transistor. So for this one the answer will be 2, that is photovoltaic cell. That is option B is the correct one. Then a Hall effect transducer can be used to measure. So a Hall effect transducer can be used to measure displacement, temperature and magnetic flux. That is option A will be the correct answer. Then harmonic distortion analyzer. So what will be the use of harmonic distortion analyzer? So it will be measures RMS value of all the harmonic components except the fundamental frequency component. That is option B is the correct answer for this one. Then 49th is, which of the following materials are piezoelectric? So they are asking for piezoelectric material. So the answer for this one is barium titanate and quasar. So that is option D is the correct answer. Then the sum of two or more arbitrary sinusoids is. So the sum of one or more, two or more sinusoids is always which is equal to periodic only if all the sinusoids are identical in frequency and phase. So option D will be the correct answer for this one. Which one of the following in simple element forms is not a pressure sensor? So which is not a pressure sensor they are asking. So cantilever beam is not a pressure sensor in its simple form. Then the reference electrode in pH measurement is. So the reference electrode which is used in pH electrodes they are asking. So it is the Hg calnomiel. So that is electrode. So the option D will be the correct answer for this one. Now the 53rd question is, maximum power is transmitted by an electrical transducer if the impedance of the external load is. So what will be the impedance of the external load in order to transfer the maximum power? So the answer for this one will be matches with the internal impedance of the transducer. Option C is the correct answer. The longest wavelength that can be absorbed by silicon, which has the band gap of 1.12 electrovolt, is 1.1 micrometer. If the longest wavelength that can be absorbed by another material is 0.87 micrometer, then the band gap of that material will be. So they are asking for band gap and it will be equal to 1.425 electrovolt. Then an X-ray machine working on 100 kilovolt potential and the maximum energy that an electron can acquire is 100 kilo electron volt. Then the energy of an X-ray photon with wavelength of. So they are asking for energy of photon with wavelength. So for this one the correct answer will be 0.124 degrees, that is 0.124. So option C will be the correct answer. Then 1 milliamp meter movement with an internal resistance of 100 ohm is to be converted into 0 to 100 milliamp. The resistance required is, so they are asking for the shunt resistance here. So the shunt resistance required will be 1.01 ohm. Option B will be the correct answer. Then which of the following is not the advantage of Fourier spectrometer? So all these are the advantages. Signal to noise ratio is high, information can be gathered on all frequencies, retrieval of data is possible. So all these are the advantages, and this is not an advantage, because the one which is giving lot of advantages, it will be very complicated system design. The system will be very complicated to design, and it will be hard to maintain. So this is hard to maintain, so this is not an advantage. So option D is the correct answer here, as they are asking not here. Okay, then when the system noise is large and signal power is low in a telemetry system, what is the performed form of modulation? So they are asking for the performed form of modulation, and it is equal to pulse code modulation. So option C will be the correct answer for this one. Okay, so now the next question is 59th. A compensated wattmeter has its reading corrected for error due to which one of the following parameters? So in case of compensated wattmeter, its reading corrected, the possible reason for that one they are asking. So that is power consumed in current coil. So this is the possible reason for compensated wattmeter coil. So 60th one is the temperature coefficient of resistance for a thermistor is. So they are asking for the temperature coefficient here. So that is high and negative. So it should be high and it should be negative. The dynamic characteristic of capacitive transducers are similar to those of, the dynamic characteristics of capacitors are similar to those of low pass filter. So that is option D is the correct answer. Then if low pressure of the order of 10 to the power 6 millimeter is to be measured, the instrument of choice would be. So which instrument should be used, they are asking. Then it is the Pirani gauge. That is option C will be the correct answer. Then 63rd is the most useful transducer for displacement sensing with excellent sensitivity, linearity and resolution is, and the answer for this one will be 3, that is a LVDT. Okay, so this one. Then for measuring temperature below 20K with high accuracy, the most useful instrument is, so the most useful instrument they are asking, and it is gallium arsenide PN junction diode thermometer. That is option C will be the correct answer. The difference between the measured value and the true value is called, so the difference between measured value and true value is called relative error. That is option B here. Okay, now so we are at the end of our session, that is section 2. So which consists of, as I already said, 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, so it will be of totally 20 marks here. So it consists of 66 to 75, that is 10 questions we will be having here. Okay, so the first question, that is 66th, is the minimum number of 2 to 1 multiplexers required to realize a 4 to 1 multiplexer. So how many 2 is to 1 multiplexers are required to realize the 4 is to 1 multiplexer, they are asking. So the answer for this one, we know, that is 3. So we have to use 3 multiplexers in order to realize 4 is to 1 multiplexer in terms of 2 is to 1 multiplexer. Then an instrument needs an amplifier to amplify pulses of 1 microsecond duration. The amplifier must have a bandwidth at least. So the bandwidth for the amplifier will be equal to 1 megahertz here. The power in the signal S of t equal to 8 cos 220 pi t minus pi by 2 plus 4 sin 15 pi t. So the power they are asking, and the power is given by 40. So A is the answer. That is 40 will be the correct one. If the Laplace transform of a signal y of t is y of s equal to 1 divided by s into s minus 1, then its final value is, so the final value will be equal to unbounded. That is option D. Determine the discrete time Fourier transform of the signal. So for this one, the discrete time Fourier transform is option C, that is minus 2j into 2 sin 2 omega plus sin omega. And 71th is an inductive pickup is used to measure speed of a shaft on which a 120 tooth wheel is attached. The number of pulses produced per second is 3000. What is the rotation per minute of the shaft? So they are asking for the rotation per minute of the shaft, and the option A is the correct answer for this one, that is 1500. Then 72nd question is a 24 millimeter long conductor has a resistance of 128 ohms. If the change in resistance is 13.3 ohms and the change in length is 1.6 millimeter under tension, then the gauge factor of the conductor will be approximately. So they are asking for gauge factor, and option 3 is the correct answer for this one, that is 1.6. A 300 volt full scale deflection voltmeter has an accuracy of plus or minus 2% when it reads 222 volt the actual voltage. So they are asking for the actual voltage for the self deflection voltmeter. So answer for this one will be option C, that is lies between 216 volt and 228 volt. Okay, so we are at the end of our session, that is last bit, second question. A coil is turned to resonance at 1 megahertz with a resonating capacitance of 72 picofarad at 500 kilohertz. The resonance is obtained with a capacitance value of 360 picofarad, the self capacitance of the coil. So they are asking for the self capacitance of a coil in terms of tuned coil here. Then the answer for this one is option B, that is 24 picofarad. Okay, all right, so we are at the end. So that is 75th and the last question of this paper. Consider a multifunction board with a analog to digital converter that can operate at a sampling rate of 100 kilo samples per second. When this ADC is used to sample 10 channels, what is the effective rate of scanning for each individual channel? So they are asking for the effective rate of scanning for each channel. And we know that answer for this one will be 10 kilo samples per second. So I have given here the direct question. So if you want the detailed answer, then please guys comment below. Then I will give a link for my website. So there I have solved and uploaded this solution. So you can check there. So please do comment. Then I will be giving the link for this one. So I hope you like this video. Please guys subscribe the channel and hit the like button for more updates. And thank you. Thanks for watching.